morning children. Today we will revise in math subject. Okay. First of all we will start with the number names. Number 1, the spelling is O-N-E. 2, T-W-O-2. 3, T-H-R-E-E. 3. Then 4, F-O-U-R. 4. 5, F-I-V-E. 5. 6, S-I-X. 6. 7, S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8, E-I-G-H-T. 8. 9, N-I-N-E. 9. And then 10. 1, 0, 10. T-E-N. 10. Okay. Now we will revise the spellings of 11 to 20. 11. E-L-E-V-E-N. 11. 12. T-W-E-L-V-E. 12. 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. यहाँ पे आपको ध्यान रखना है. You have to be careful. You will not write 13. It is 13. So T-H-I-R. Okay. Then 14. F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. 14. Then 15. It is 15, not 15. So don't write F-I-V-E-T-E-N. You have to write F-I-F-T-E-E-N. 15. Then 16. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. 16. 17. S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. 17. 18. E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. 18. 19. N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. 19. Then 20. T-W-E-N-T-Y. 20. Okay. Understand? So you have to revise these spellings at home. Now we will revise before, between and after numbers. Okay. I have written here. Can you see here? A box is here, empty box, and here I have written 12. 12. What comes before 12? Because box is here, that means we have to write the before number here. So what will come here? 11. Next is 19 is written, and after 19 there is a box, empty box. So what we will write here? After number. What will be the after number of 19? It is 20. Now here I have written 8. Then empty box is there. An empty box is there, and then 10. So we have to write here the between number. What will come here? Which number will come here? After 8, 9, and before 10, 9. So we will write the number 9. I hope you all understand what you have to do if this type of exercise will come in your test paper. Okay. Now we will revise is ascending order and descending order. Now we will arrange these numbers in increasing orders. Okay. Increasing means small to big. So which is the smallest number here? 0. So we will write first here 0. Then which is the bigger than 0? 4. Then 6. Then 10. And then 12. So in this way we can arrange the numbers in increasing order. Now we will arrange these numbers in decreasing orders. Means big to small. Which is the biggest number here? Can you see? 20. So first of all we will write here 20. Then which is the smaller number, smaller than 20? Which number is smaller than 20? 70. So we will write on the next step. Then which is the smaller than 17? 8. Then 5. And then 1. Okay. I hope you understand with these examples how to arrange the numbers in increasing and decreasing order. Now we will compare the numbers. Now we will compare these numbers and we will use some signs, some symbols. Okay. First of all, we will see this side. Which number is written here? 12. And here an empty box is there. Then 8 is written. So we have to compare these numbers. तो क्या करेंगे? What we will do? 12 is bigger than 8. So bigger than का जो sign है वो क्या है? We will put this sign. Okay. This is the sign of bigger than. Now here 4 is written, then an empty box, and then written 20. So 4 is less than 20. So what is the sign of less than? This is the sign of less than. Okay. Now here 15 is written. Here is also 15 written. So we will put the sign of equal to, because both the numbers are equal to each other. Okay. Equal to means same है एक जैसे. ठीक है, बराबर है. Fine. Now we will revise place value, tens and ones. Okay. Okay. Now we will understand how to use number strip to add and subtract. Okay. First of all, this is the number strip that is from 0 to 20. Okay. We will use this number strip to add these numbers. Okay. First of all, you can see here I have written T and O. T stands for tens and O stands for ones. Okay. This is the place. Ones की place. ये आपको मैंने एक वीडियो भेजा था जिसमें मैंने आपको एक स्टोरी सुनाई थी tens और ones की. Okay. So first of all, whenever we will start adding or subtracting, for every time we will start adding from the ones place. So here 5 and 3. So we can start from here. The first number is 5. Okay. Then 6, 7 and 8. 3 times when we add, the answer will be 8. Then 1 is here. Here nothing is there. So we will assume that 0 is there. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 1 will be like that only. Simultaneously, when we subtract the numbers, we can use this number strip. You can again see that tens and ones is written here, T and O. Then on ones place, number 1 and 1 is there. So 1 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is equal to what? 0. And 1 will be like that, because 1 minus 0 is equal to 1 only. Now you see here, this is the vertical way to add and subtract. Here we will add or subtract in horizontal way. Okay. Now again we will use the number strip. Here 17 plus 3 is written. Now 17 is there. Now 3 times we have to count. So 1, 2 and 3. So 17 plus 3. 17, we starts from 17, then 18, 19, 20. So the answer is 20. Now in this way we can subtract also by using the number strip. It is written 18 minus 6. Okay. So we have to start counting backward 6 times. So our first number is 18. So we will start 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then 6. So we have stopped here on number 12. So the answer is number 12. In this way you can add or subtract by using the number strip. I hope you all understand this. Please revise the chapters at home nicely. Do practice and do well. Thank you.